Massachusetts is making progress in getting members of minority groups vaccinated. More than 26% of the state's black residents have received at least one dose, and nearly 20% of Hispanic residents have had at least one shot. Dr. Mallika Marshall joins us tonight. And Mallika, black Americans are becoming more open to getting vaccinated compared to what we saw earlier this year, but there is understandably still some hesitation.
Yes, there is, and that's because there are many black Americans who are very skeptical of the medical community for a variety of reasons. First of all, they have been historically mistreated in scientific studies and in many cases continue to receive substandard care by the healthcare profession. For example, black Americans are less likely to get adequate pain medication if they present with pain to an emergency room. They're less likely to be referred for cardiac catheterization if they have heart disease. And you probably heard that just last week the CDC declared racism as a serious public health threat. I think the mistrust in the black community is a large reason why they've been more hesitant to get the vaccines, even though black Americans are disproportionately affected during the pandemic.
So with that in mind, doctor, what has changed in the perception of the vaccine on the part of black America?
Well, first of all, the Biden administration has poured millions of dollars into local campaigns to try to convince African Americans that the vaccines are indeed safe and effective and worth getting. And so this outreach by black physicians, by church leaders and community organizers really seems to be working, because a recent poll by the Associated Press showed that the percentage of blacks who say that they probably or definitely are not going to get vaccinated fell from 41% back in January to 24% at the end of March, which is more in line with what a lot of white and Hispanic Americans are saying right now. And as a black physician, I can't tell you how happy I am to see that, and I can only hope that vaccine acceptance continues to grow in our community.
Makes such a difference. Doctor, thank you so much.